So these are brave women that want to get cool looks.
Yeah.
And we're going to start, the first look is one of your clients, J-Lo.
It is, yeah,
Jennifer
it's J-Lo.
Lopez.
It's the pony. What's great about this is the position of it. So when you pull it up high like that, it really lifts the face and gives you that kind of like facelift vibe. So I'm going to show you our model now.
So this is our viewer, Allison. Come on out, Allison. Allison, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Let's do a little one of those split screen things. Turn sideways a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Look at that little. So this is how you did it, right? This is the B-roll up.
Absolutely. Like a nice little tip that I always like to do is when you're tying the ponytail high, make sure you blow dry it with a hairdryer in the direction of the pony and then flip your head upside down to tie it. Just makes it easier to get it higher.
Oh, look at this. What's with the toothbrush?
Real toothbrush there.
Shut up.
It's great for your edges. Honestly, old school technique. Get your hairspray, put it on your toothbrush and brush those baby hairs away.
Oh, that's fabulous.
I know, it makes it immaculate. Ponytails never go out of fashion, but what's in now is the high pony. So basically it's all about positioning. So if you look at her cheekbones, it follows the cheekbones and it gives you that lift. So that's the key thing for you guys to remember at home, to get you that
It elongates your...
Exactly.
Yeah.
Snatched face. And it's actually, you know, like it's a really strong look, but then we kept the ends really soft and pretty, and we just give it a kiss with the curling iron, which I'll show you exactly how to do now. When you're creating a wave in your hair, it's always hard to create that, like, undone wave
that
where it's
kind
not...
of tousled, messed about in a good way.
Exactly. Look, all I'm going to do is use a curling iron. I'm going to wrap it around really chilled, really easy, leave the ends out, rock it backwards and forwards.
Don't take it all the way to the root, don't take it all the way to the end.
That's it. Keep it super chill. And then when you take out, you get that nice kind of bouncy finish, which just makes your bouncy pony look even sexier. Thank you so much.
Okay, the next look is Shay.
Okay.
Shay Mitchell, she's been here. Stunning.
Yeah, beautiful. This is like the undone but done look that I was just talking about, which so many women either overdo and it looks curly, or underdo and it looks like not a lot. Like, it's that cool girl, effortless, sexy kind of vibe. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it.
And it just looks like they messed about in a really fun way with somebody fun. So this is Fatima, and we've been working with Fatima on this. Come on out, gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, she's adorable.
How beautiful.
Fatima, you are adorable.
Thank you.
I just want to put you in my pocket. Do you love this look?
I absolutely love it. So
I also
was
love your highlights, how they're on the lower part of your hair here.
Yes.
I think that really complements the style for sure. So like I say, this style is really, really easy to do. It's not at all difficult, but it's all about kind of taking it back, keeping it really chilled with your styling and not overdoing the hair. You'll see in the how-to, in the step-by-step, as I did it, I just took big sections, so there was no big sections like
What did you spray there? What were you spraying?
A little bit, it's called Style on Steroids. It's a texturizing spray. So it gives the hair some grip and hold, and it's not sticky.
Not straight up hairspray.
Not hairspray.
Right.
No, because we just want to build volume into the hair. And as you can see, I just took really big sections. I'm not like using clip.
And you did that loose curl thing again, not all the way to the end.
And look at the fingers. It's all about the fingers. Shake it, shake it, shake it. It's all about the shake, so we'll do it now. Just shake it out. Get your fingers in there. Yeah, get it in there. Come on, do it. You've got this. He's got this. Over to Rachel. Rachel does it all. I love this.
She looks so good. Thank you.